In this video, I will share with you how to cancel your subscription in Grok AI. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this case. In this case, guys, go to your account setting. From the account setting, you don't find any option here to cancel directly. But if you want to cancel, go to this Grok AI. And this is from FAQ Grok. This is one. You go to directly this URL, as you can see here. And then you will see this form. So guys, from here to unsubscription, just click a request or submit refund request. Just click this one. And then in this case, you will see this page. From here, this is my email address. This is the refund, this subscription and refund. Choose the amount you want to refund here. For example, you have 100 USD. And then choose the currency here, AUD, for example, this one. Write your 4 last digits on your credit card and choose charge type here. From here, write your username, X username if you have a username on X. And then guys, click charge type, for example, subscription. What is platform you purchase, for example, Google. Choose Google or Stripe. And then choose your broadband that you have. And then click submit. Just guys, fill all this form to get your cancellation or refund. So guys, I am this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.